Have you ever bent your knees or fingers and heard a mysterious pop? That sound isn't your bones breaking. It often comes from tiny bubbles inside the fluid that lubricates your joints. When you move, the pressure in your joint changes, causing these bubbles to rapidly form or collapse, making a popping noise. Other times, a tendon or ligament may snap over a bone, creating a clicking sound. Both are usually harmless and just part of how your body moves. So, those pops and cracks are just your joints doing their thing.